One of the things I have to always think of that this is a long-term rug, so it can't be something in a fad, that it has to be, whether it's contemporary or classic, it has to be something in 20 or 30 years. It doesn't belong to anything. It is just an art piece that everyone enjoys. So obviously I do homework and look at magazines and what's happening around the world and what colours are coming through, because it has to work with fabrics that are happening. But the stamp of the design, I have to do something that I know has longevity. I don't like almost feeling Jenny Jones rugs. I really prefer Jenny Jones art on the floor, because the amount of me going into each rug and capturing what the client story is, it's not like the normal rug business. It's really my advocate to really want that special piece in their home that gives a joy like a painting.